Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing bridging the gap to a Thai retirement visa. What are we talking about here? Well, I will see this, I especially saw this a lot before COVID, still see it fairly frequently from time to time. You know, you'll have somebody, they're in, for example, tourist visa status here in Thailand, and they're 49, and they're going to be 50 in 4 months or 5 months. And when we're talking about bridging the gap, it's trying to use visas to maintain one's status in Thailand until you get over that 50 hump, and then you can start, at the same time you need to make arrangements for financial, the financial requirements, other requirements, but the big one is oftentimes 50. You'll have folks that are out here that are 49 going on 50, and 50 is kind of that magic number where they can just get into a retirement visa and they're just kind of done, dealing with immigration. And maybe not done dealing with immigration, but they're done dealing with immigration frequently. In the past, you would see people live here on on tourist visas, or even going back 15 years ago, there were people that were still trying to make a go of it, living here on 30-day stamps. It didn't really work out too well for them 15 years ago. 17 years ago, yeah, they could still do that, but that started changing a little bit before my time, but right as I was kind of coming in, that was culminating. But the thing to take away from this video is, yeah, those folks that 4 months, 4 or 5 months, 6 months, that can be a tricky thing, trying to sort of cobble together enough status to get you over the hump of 50. And then you may be able to convert to a Thai retirement visa, depending on your circumstances, or you may need to leave the country, do that one last visa run, come back in on a Thai retirement visa, and then just maintain status thereafter. And the thing to take away from this video is that can be a tricky thing. And for those out there who are, they kind of feel uncomfortable dealing with this, may not be a terrible idea to contact a legal professional, gain some insight and guidance into how best to proceed.